Welcome back to Ceiliog Bees. The reason we call them Ceiliog Bees is just behind us there's the River Ceiliog that lives through the village. So we decided to call them Ceiliog Bees or Gwenyn Ceiliog. As you can see, we've took you around our little bit of an allotment of what we've been growing. We've grown some pumpkins, some sunflowers in different varieties, and we've also set some set aside or a wildflower meadow. We've just sown 1 metre for a strip of the field which is coming on. Poppies are out and the rest are coming on quite good. The dry weather affected them slightly, but they seem to have bounced back now. So we're just going to do an inspection on one of the hives just to check its progress and also to make sure it's queen right and there's no sign of any disease or anything like that. So we're just going to carry out an inspection on hive number 4. We'll smoke the entrance and we'll have a quick look at the record card to check what we've seen last week. It's been a week since we did an inspection, and during the height of the swarm season it's good to check your bees once a week or as practical as you can. So we've got a record card. Important to keep the record cards going to make sure you've documented any progress or anything you've seen on there so you can reflect on it a week later. So the bees here last week, I think we put a super on last week or the week before. The bees have finally reached the super. They're just on the top of the crown board here, so we'll just smoke them to let them know we're coming. The bees in this colony are AMM bees, which are locally adapted. And the super we've got on here is 11 frames, standard frames with castellations on it, which makes it a bit easier. So the bees have reached the super. They haven't really done anything with it. I think they're just figuring it out. I'll just have a quick look here. I'm just starting to draw it out there. We've started a bit better that side. We'll just lift the super off. I'll put that on top of the crown board. And you see there's quite a few bees in here, seems to be. So I'll just smoke these down, out the way. Just twist the crown board or the queen excluder off and just check underneath your cursory look for the queen, which you can't see. You can see they've just made some brace comb there and started filling it with honey. Now you can see the bees, I've split it, they're just trying to suck it back out. So we'll have a look through here now, start the inspection from here. We've been quite busy on the top, throwing quite a bit of stuff in, so I'll just smoke them. We'll start to take the end frame out and have a look. Seems to be a lot of bees in here. Just filled all that with honey, aren't they? And the same on this side. Let's see the queen. And there. Yeah, we'll just check this next frame now. Same side. Nothing to be seen there. Just put that there. I'll just get some of this comb off the back here. Let's try and tidy it up.
It's just getting rid of the build-up on the coat. There's a queen in this one, isn't there, Matt?
It is, yeah. I can just see some eggs here in the centre of the frame. Just that patch with the bees on there. If you can see them. 1-2 data old. Same in here. Eggs, larvae, and brood in various stages. Alright, I'm just having a quick look for the queen. I can't see anything. On the other side, it's the same. Eggs, larvae, and brood in various stages. No visible sign of the queen. So carry on going through.
What does the smoke do, Mark? Is it supposed to calm them down, or?
The smoke just masks the queen's pheromones. So we'll just have a look here. There we can see the queen here on the side of the frame. Just having a look for some space to lay. As you can see here, there's a little practice or play cup queen cell. So we'll just check it's not charged and we'll just knock it back.
What do you mean by charged?
So it hasn't got eggs or larvae in there. So we've spotted the queen on the fourth frame in, so we'll just go through the rest of it now, just to check, to make sure there's no visual sign of any disease, and there's no queen cells. So we know the colony's queen right because we've seen eggs, and see in the centre of the frame, just down at the bottom, just here. There's a bee hatch in here, just coming out there now, or trying to.
Is it going to come out? Yay, there we are.
Nice and fluffy. A bit of drone brood on this frame, which is fine. Obvious signs of any queen cells there.
Drones are just the male bees,
That's
aren't
it,
they?
the male bees, yeah.
They don't do anything apart from mate with the queen, isn't it?
That's it, they have one very important job. Once that job is done, their job's done as well. So if that frame's all laid out,
Do you think we
brood.
need to put a super on that? Do you think this is?
We've already got a super on.
Oh yeah.
So just some brace comb on the bottom here. I might leave that on. It's got some eggs and larvae in it, so I might leave it on. Seems a shame to knock it back since the queen's laid in there, and some of it's capped. So, okay. So just go through the last frames here now. So you see again, the queen in here is quite a prolific layer. She lays well. You can see there, nothing toward. Seeing here is the centerpieces have been laid out with eggs, so she's been here laid back in. Just the brood around the outside. All nice there.
How long have we had this hive for? Not that long, have we?
This was a nuke on the 1st of June. So,
And these were all new frames when we put them in, were they?
So there's obviously the original 6-frame nuke, and the rest were new frames. The 6 we added was new frames. This is just a frame of pollen. A bit of honey stores around the outside. I'm just drawing that out when we started to. We'll just leave that frame on the top for now. We'll leave it one closer in and see what these are doing with this.
So they've still got plenty of room in.
Yeah, so they've got plenty of room. And what we'll do is...
So that's why they haven't gone up to the...
Yeah, so they've still got some work to do down here. Draw 2 sides of the frame out, really. So... let's see. We'll push these back up now. And we'll put that other frame on the back here, I think. Just make sure the bees are off the edge of the frames. And pushing it up. Clean there again. So on that. Put that in there, I think. slide this one in here now.
Oh, there's a bee on there, Matt.
On where?
On that tree.
A bee?
Yeah.
There's a few bees on it.
I mean a wasp.
Where?
The other side. Unless it's gone. There was a pesky wasp there. We have got wasp traps out of them, Matt, which are doing well. There it is.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, we do have to get rid of them because why not?
Because they rob the honey. Gives the bees some bother.